Are you trying to reach your cat?
Yeah.
What's your cat's name?
Yogurt.
Gilbert. Just sounds like
This
yogurt.
is yogurt.
That's Gilbert?
This is yogurt.
You have quite the imagination.
No, baby.
Baby, you need to come down. Can you reach your silly cat?
Nope. I just heal him. I can't reach him. I can't reach. Kelly Ashton come to my birthday party?
Yes, Kaylee and Ashlyn come to your next birthday party. It's in
And
11
Ashlyn
months.
Too?
Yes, and Ashlyn too.
Ozzy too?
And Ozzy, yes, Osborne can come to your birthday party next year.
And now Baby.
And who?
And now Baby.
Memphis.
And now Baby.
Okay.